What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and I am back with another awesome backyard barbecue recipe. It's eggs. I mean, it's not just eggs, but we are gonna take some eggs and we are gonna turn them into an amazing smoked egg salad. Yes, you can smoke eggs. I'm actually convinced you can smoke pretty much anything, but the smokiness on eggs with the creaminess of the dressing makes one of the best egg salads you will ever have. So let's do it. I've got a dozen hard-boiled eggs. Now I did just hard-boil these in water. I only boil these for about 6 minutes. I don't want them overdone because they are gonna cook a little bit more on the smoker. Or if you want to do double smoked eggs, I actually have a recipe on my website where you can smoke the eggs in the shell, and it's kind of a smoked baked egg, which is always fun to do. But these are a little bit faster. So boiled for 6 minutes and peeled. These are going onto a low temperature smoker, about 175 degrees for 30 minutes to an hour. At 30 minutes, they'll smoke up a good amount of smoke flavor. At an hour, they will be quite smoky. So you can try a couple different lengths and see if there's a perfect amount of smoke flavor for you. In terms of smoke flavor, I like to go pretty light with these. Alder, maple, cherry, apple, kind of the lighter, fruitier woods are fantastic. And yeah, that's about all it takes. Our eggs have been on for about 45 minutes, which is the realm that I like my smoked eggs to be in. So we'll pull them off. You can see the color that these eggs picked up. This is not your typical white egg. That nice yellow color comes from them being in the smoke. So that is flavor. I'm gonna set my eggs aside, let them cool a little bit while we make the dressing. It's a very simple dressing. I've got some mayonnaise here. I'm using some of my Zesty Gold mustard-based barbecue sauce. You can pick that up in the Hey Grill Hey store, or you can use your favorite, mustard. But because the Zesty Gold has a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of honey, there's a little bit of sweetness with it. You might wanna add some honey if you're not using the Zesty Gold. I've also got some diced dill pickles. I like it tangy. You can use sweet relish. Some fresh minced parsley, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and that's it. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to get through a bunch of eggs all at one time. We've got a flat roasting rack over your bowl, put them on top and press. It'll give you some really nice bite-sized egg pieces without all the chopping. Just like that, we're through a dozen eggs in no time at all. Now we just add our egg salad dressing and give it a gentle mix. You can see the color of the yolks. Because we did that 6-minute egg before we put them on the smoker, we didn't overcook our eggs. So our yolks aren't green, but they're perfectly cooked through, nice and fluffy. Now I like to just serve this on some toasted white bread for a beautiful egg salad sandwich. It makes a quick lunch. But I got this review on the website that I absolutely loved. This is from Max. He gave me 5 stars. Thanks, Max. This stuff is amazing. I made it today. I ate it on some hamburger buns with cheese and some smoked hot sauce. 10 out of 10 I'm going to make again. So I like mine, just a regular sandwich, but hamburger buns with cheese on top sounds phenomenal too. And if you grew up with egg salad, there are a lot of ways to enjoy it. I usually top mine with a little bit of smoked paprika for a little bit of extra smokiness with those smoked eggs. And I think it ties it all together. This is an egg salad recipe that you'll come back to over and over again. Super simple. And if you haven't smoked a hard-boiled egg yet, let this be your sign to give it a try. See you next time. It's perfect.